A bit of a twist on a classic pizza, we've got lovely juicy chicken tikka pieces on top of warm naan breads and finished with all of your favourite toppings. Preheat your grill or your broiler to a medium-high heat. Now I've got 3 chicken breasts here chopped into bite-sized chunks, and to that I'm going to add 120 grams or half a cup of thick natural yoghurt, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon each of ground turmeric and ground cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of mild chili powder, pinch of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now mix all that together until fully combined. Spread the chicken out on a grill tray and brush the chicken with 2 tablespoons of oil. Then place under the hot grill and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, turning once until golden and cooked through. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix together 4 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste, half a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of cold water, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh coriander or cilantro, and mix that all together. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill and put to one side. Now place 4 naan breads under the grill and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until hot. Remove the naans and spread on the tomato mixture, then place the breads back under the grill for 1 more minute. Now it's time to assemble everything together, so remove the naans from the grill and divide that cooked chicken between the naan breads. I like to drizzle over a little more natural yoghurt along with some chilli sauce. Then sprinkle on some more freshly chopped coriander and some toasted almonds. And there we go, chicken tikka pizzas are served. Now I love to drizzle mine with some hot sriracha sauce, but if that's a little bit too hot for your palate, then sweet chili sauce works perfectly as well. Really hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.